Hello, boys and girls. We are ready for another math lesson, but today's lesson is going to be a little bit different. And the directions are also in Schoology for you in case you haven't read that very closely. But what you're going to do, if you need to, when I'm finished with these directions, you may need to pause this video. But I need you to have either a piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard with a dry erase marker at your house, or even chalk, any kind of scrap piece of paper that you might have laying around, I need you to go get that for me first before we get started. Okay, now after you have everything that you need, I'm going to have my blank piece of paper right here as well. I'm going to hold up one of our cards with our numbers on it, and we're just going to do some number naming and writing practice to begin with for our lesson today. So I'm going to hold up a number card. You're going to say what the number is, and then you are going to practice writing that number on your blank piece of paper or your board or whatever it is that you pick to use today. All right, here's our first number. What is this number? If you said 8, you're correct. So now you're going to take your pencil, marker, whatever you have, and you're going to practice writing the number 8. All right. Sometimes when we make the number 8, we say that we make an S and then close the gate. All right, do your best 8 that you can. Okay, the next number is this one right here. What is this number? 10. Good job. So now you're going to practice writing the number 10. And this does not erase all that well. When you make the number 10, you always make the number 1 first and then a 0. 1 and 0. All right, make your 10. And if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause in between the numbers as I go along. All right. I'm going to take that one away. The next number that I'm going to hold up, what is this number? 5. Good job. When we make a 5, we come down, around, and then we put on a hat. 5s can be tricky. You may have to pause this and practice a little bit longer on your 5. All right. Next number, what is this number? 6. Good job. All right, when we make our 6, we curve around and curl it up. There's the number 6. All right, after that one, I have this one. What's this number? 3. Good job. We curve in and around again. Make your 3. All right. One away. And the next number, what is this number? 9. Good job. Make sure, like I've said before, that you're making a 9 and not a P. If you put the circle on the wrong side of the stick, you're going to have a P. So make your circle and then your line to make the number 9. All right. Take this one away. I don't have very many left. What's this number? 7. Good job. We're going to slide to the right and slant it down. There's your 7. Okay. Next number, what do we have here? What is this number? 2. Good job. So we're going to curve around and slide to the right for the number 2. Okay. This next one is not going to be hard because I know everyone's so smart. They're going to know this. What is this number? The number 1. Good job. And easy peasy. Just straight down makes the number 1. All right. I have one more left. And that's this number right here. What is this number? 4. Good job. Down, over, and down some more. There's your number 4. Okay. I hope you worked hard and enjoyed making some numbers. It never hurts to just keep practicing writing those numbers as much as you can. Today for your math lesson, you have a page that looks like this. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be counting these candy corns, and then you're going to write the number that you counted right there. So that's why it's important to keep practicing our number writing for when you do pages like this. So let's count the first one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We counted 6 candy corns. So now we're going to write the number 6 in that box. All right, be sure to use a pencil when you're doing this. On the back side, there's 2 sides to this. You have some buckets this time, and you are going to tell what the number is, and then you're going to draw that many candy corns on your own this time. So what is this first number right there that I'm touching? That's right, that is the number 2. So now you're going to draw 2 candy corns on your own, and my trick for making a candy corn is just to make a triangle. If you want to give it a little curve on all the edges, that way it looks more like a candy, or a candy corn, you can. And then candy corns have these 2 little lines. And then what color are candy corns usually? If you said yellow and orange, I believe you're correct on that. Sometimes you can find different flavors, but ours are going to be yellow and orange. So I'm going to even go in here and I'm going to color the candy corns that I've drawn. I'm going to use my orange and then my yellow, just to make it look extra special. All right, so we said that that was the number 2, and then we drew 2 candy corns in our bucket. All right, be sure to send pictures so we can see how good you're doing. Bye-bye.